Kia ora, let's kick off our video about colours. Today we focus on colours. The goal for today is to be able to name 4 of these colours in Te Reo Māori. You'll need to tell me the Te Reo word for each colour. So here we have red, yellow, green and blue. Red, whero. Red, whero. He whero te tai. Yellow, kōwhai. Yellow, kōwhai. He kōwhai te tai. Green, kakariki. Green, kakariki. He kakariki te tai. Blue, kikorangi. Blue, kikorangi. He kikorangi te tai. Now let's go through them one at a time. Kikorangi, kakariki, kōwhai, whero. Now the last challenge I have for you is to go around your house and find something that is whero, something that is kōwhai, something that is kakariki, something that is kikorangi. Find those things around your house and name them. Kia ora. Good luck.
Yellow cup, he kōwhai te tai.
Blue sky, he kikorangi te tai. Green trees, o rākau, he kakariki te tai. Red swing, he whero te tai. Do you know your colours in Te Reo Māori? Get practicing. Kia ora.